Hello everyone, I hope you are great. My name is Arian and today we are going to talking about lesson 1.3.3 and text structures. And I study in high school in the Canada, and I teach you some word English in the Instagram, and you can come my page in the Instagram and watch some video and so helpful for you. Thank you and let's go started. Lesson 1.3.3 talking about text structures, and this lesson have an introduction to text structures, and you should watch this video so good and help you understand the introduction text structures. Okay, let's the next. And we should read together this note. And if you have a problem for reading, you should using the Google Trans, and so good Google Trans for understand better and listen and the word. For example, I have a problem. I using the Google Trans in this lesson. Let's go and read together. When we writing for a specifically purpose, a text has a main idea that the author wants the reader to understand. We can share information in variety. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, okay, go ahead. No, we can use Google Trans. I first say that variety. I don't know. It's using the Google Trans. Please, sorry. Later. T Y.
Variety.
Listen, please again.
Variety.
And go ahead. Of the ways for a variety of the purpose. In this lesson, we are going to be learning about text structures. And go next, please. So important here. And please listen and careful. Why is the text structure important? Understanding the text structure can help you organize information and the details you are learning while reading. Make connection between the details beginning present in a text. Summarize the important details shared in a text. Text structures are the organizational pattern. They are used to present ideas and information. Any piece of the written text has an organizational pattern in the fact any text, whether it is in artwork, blueprint, or debate, has a structures. Often, the structure of the text support one or more purpose of the text. And here have so many words, and some words is important is reading and difficult. For example, presented. For example, this word. We should using the Google Trans presented. Presentase. I don't through the same.
Presentase.
And go next. What is a text structure? Text structure refers to the way the authors organize information in the text. For example, I have a one words problem here. Authors. I'm true say. You think it's true or no? What do you think? Try again. Ath Rose. Are you sure? Kidding? Wait a minute. We should check in the Google Trends.
Authors.
Authors. Authors. Authors. Authors. Authors. And authors. Don't forget about that. Authors. Okay, here they are 5 common type of the text structures. Sequence, case effect, problem and solution, description, compare and contrast. And here we should use Google Trends for all of them and listen. Just listen what's say. Just listen. For example, this one. Say listen just. Oh, sorry. I should writing. My one letter today have a problem. I don't know why, but I try it. SEQUEN sequence. Sequence. Listen.
Sequence.
Sequence. Next one, KUSE. Effect.
Cause effect.
Cause effect. Cause effect. Cause effect. Cause effect. Next one, problem and solution, because have a TION. When you see TION, say solution. Listen.
Problem and solution.
Description. Again, have a TION. Description. Listen.
Description.
And the next one is compare. We just might try. Compare and contrast. Listen.
Compare and contrast.
The next one. Here have a text structures, so important and so helpfully this video, and I watched this video and so good. You can go in the YouTube and find this video. I want to watch it. It's so interesting. But next, and here's signal words, and we should read together. Certain words and the phrases, nouns as the signal words help writers organize their text in the logical. No, I think it's logical. And go ahead and then the after and back structures. These signal words also help readers understand the purpose of the text they are reading, giving information about text structures. And okay, this one I say logical, not oh sorry, it's back. Logical, logical. I say logical. I don't know. Maybe I'm not true. I'm not sure. It's using the Google Translate. Listen, please, and careful. Logical. Listen, please. Oh my gosh, my phone. Oh my gosh, I'm so crazy. Logical. Listen.
Logical.
Logical. Logical. And the next one, please. Text structures. Have a review the following. If this one, you can click here and review everything in the unit and understand better. And go the next one. Have a task lesson text, and you can check here and click, and we should check together here all of them in the unique and lesson have here in the 1.3 and 1.3.3 and text structure singular signal question and signal words, and have here all of them you can read, and so interesting. I read all of them. And the next one is end of the lesson. Thank you so much. Watch my video. If you like, you can come my Instagram, my page in Instagram, and have a so interesting video, and you can watch it. And thank you so much. And if you like the video, please save, share, and follow me. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.